Hi, my name is Vishakha and welcome back to my YouTube channel Economics with Vishakha. In today's YouTube video, we will talk about the concept of utility. आज के YouTube वीडियो में हम लोग utility के concept के बारे में बात करेंगे. Now, before we start talking about the concept of utility, we need to understand that every economy has an economic agent called consumers. Now, these consumers are people who consume goods and services. Why do they consume goods and services? To satisfy their needs or to satisfy their wants. ठीक है, तो हर एक इकोनॉमी में consumers होते हैं और consumers goods और services को कंज्यूम करते हैं. क्यों कंज्यूम करते हैं? ताकि वो अपने वांट्स को सेटिस्फाई कर सके. अब हमें ये समझने की जरूरत है कि कंज्यूमर्स को कोई भी गुड यूज करने से या किसी भी गुड पे एक्सपेंडिचर करने से उनको कुछ यूटिलिटी मिलती है ना, उनको कुछ सेटिस्फैक्शन मिलती है. सेटिस्फैक्शन इज नथिंग बट यूटिलिटी. Okay, so now the consumers derive utility from his expenditure and chooses expenditure to maximize his utility. अब you need to understand, if you have a certain level of income, अगर आपके पास कुछ पैसे हैं and you're going to spend that money on buying certain goods and services, you would want to buy goods that will lead to a maximization of your utility, that will lead to a maximization of your satisfaction. So for example, if you like dark chocolates, you might want to buy a dark chocolate because that would satisfy you more. On the other hand, if you like a sweet chocolate, you would want to buy that because that will give you more satisfaction or more utility. So consumers will spend or consumers will incur expenditure on goods that maximize their utility. Hence, the concept of utility is nothing but the satisfaction that you derive from a commodity, the satisfaction that you derive from consumption of a commodity. It may also be referred to as the want satisfying power of a commodity. एक commodity आपकी wants को किस तरीके से satisfy कर सकती है या कितना satisfy कर सकती है, वही utility है. Now, when we talk about the concept of utility, इसको हम लोग measure कैसे कर सकते हैं? इसके दो तरीके हैं. One is the cardinal measure of utility, the other is the ordinal measure of utility. अब the cardinal measure of utility was given by economists like Alfred Marshall. ये लोग ये बिलीव करते थे कि हम किसी भी चीज से या किसी भी गुड से जो हमने कंज्यूम किया है उससे हमें जो सेटिस्फैक्शन मिलेगी उसको कार्डिनल नंबर्स में मेजर कर सकते हैं. ठीक है, उन कार्डिनल नंबर्स की यूनिट क्या है? यूटिल्स. सो अकॉर्डिंग टू दिस स्कूल ऑफ इकोनॉमिक थॉट, दे थॉट दैट व्हाटएवर वी आर कंज्यूमिंग, as a consumer I will be able to tell as to how much utility I am getting from consuming that good. So for example, if I'm having a chocolate, I could say that this chocolate has given me 4 utils of utility. Or if I'm reading a book, I could say that reading this book is giving me 3 utils of utility, right? So according to them, utility could be measured in cardinal numbers. Apart from this, there was another school of thought which believed in ordinal measure of utility. This was given by economists like J.R. Hicks. According to them, utility can never be measured in terms of numbers, right? So they said that you cannot say कि आपको किसी गुड से इतना utils utility मिला है या किसी दूसरे गुड से इतना utils utility मिला है. But what they instead said was that utility can be ranked. So you could say that I got a higher level of satisfaction from consuming this good and a lower level of satisfaction from consuming the other goods. So they said that utility can be ranked as high or low, but it cannot be expressed in numbers per se. So the term ordinal here means ordering. So consumers can rank that I like this good better or I like the next good better, but they cannot measure it in terms of numbers. So this was the concept of utility. Thank you so much for watching my channel. Please like, subscribe and share if you like my content.